Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up utility bills in Mint for property investors. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Mint app on your device. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Transactions section from the main menu. Locate the utility bills you want to back up. Use the search bar if necessary to filter for specific utility payments. Select the utility bill you wish to back up. Tap on the transaction to view detailed information. Take note of essential details such as date, amount, and service provider. Now, take a screenshot of the transaction details. Alternatively, you can manually write down the information. Next, open a document or note-taking app of your choice. Create a new document titled Utility Bill Backups. Paste or type in the details of the utility bill. Include any relevant notes about payment methods or account numbers. Repeat the process for each utility bill you want to back up. Once all bills are recorded, format your document for clarity. Consider organizing the bills by month or utility type. After formatting, save your document in a secure location. Use cloud storage to ensure your document is accessible from multiple devices. Regularly update this document with new utility bills to keep it current. Set reminders to back up your utility bills at the end of each month. Review your backup document periodically to ensure all entries are complete. By following these steps, you'll maintain a comprehensive record of your utility bills in Mint for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.